My name's Dayna, and today I'm going to talk about century bottles. I've got a few examples to show you. Are you ready? Here we go. This one is made with bubbles and water. We can shake it and it twirly whirls, and we can shake it up and down, up and down, round and round. It makes lots of noise when you shake it like this. And you can shake it slowly and you watch all the bubbles inside. Can you see? Wow. Another century bottle is one like this. This one has feathers inside. Lots and lots of colourful feathers. Wow. This one doesn't make any noise when you shake it. This one is pretty to look at, I think. This one is green. It has green paint and water inside. It's very colourful to look at. And again, when you shake it, it makes noise. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it this way, shake it that way. Shake, shake, shake. Look at the colourful green. And this one has beads inside. This one is very noisy. Are you ready? Wow! You shake it fast, you shake it slow, up, down, round and round. A very noisy one. It's also colourful to look at. 1, 2, 3, 4 century bottles so far. Shall we make some century bottles together? All right, you will need an empty plastic bottle, a jug, a paper funnel, and some ingredients to put inside. I've got a rice cereal, pasta, rice, and salt. Shall we begin? First, let's use the rice. Put your funnel in your bottle like so. Tip the rice into the jug. Use the jug to pour it into the bottle. Then give it a shake and watch it drop down into the bottles. Oh, wow. There we go. Make sure you screw the lid on really tightly. And there you have the century bottle. Shall we see what it sounds like? Wow! That's a very noisy one. Awesome! Shall we make another one? This time, let's use the pasta. Tip the pasta into the jug. Use the funnel, like so, and pour it in. Then give it a little shake at the bottom. In it goes. Wow! Look at all that pasta. Make sure you put the lid on tightly. Like so. Then the fun part, give it a good old shake. Wow! That's awesome. Shall we make another one? This time, let's use salt. Pour the salt into the bottle, like so. Ooh, watch it fall. Wow. Now, decide how much salt you put in. Ooh. Like so. Make sure you get the lid. Put it on tightly again. Now let's give it a shake. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Yay! Let's make another one. This time, how about rice cereal? Pour it into the jug. Use the funnel. Pour it in. Give it a little shake so it comes out. Oh, wow. Look at all that rice cereal. Make sure you put the lid on tightly. Shall we give it a shake? Oh, wow! Look at that, that's awesome. These are the 4 we just made together. Yay! And I made some earlier. Want to see? This one has pasta inside. That's a different type. Very noisy. This one has red glitter inside. Wow, makes it all nice and red. This one has blue glitter and water. Watch as the glitter falls. Wow, look at that. Can you see? It's all sparkly. It's fun to watch this one as the glitter falls and spins. This one is an orange one. Orange paint and water. Very bright. And again, makes lots of noise when you shake it. This one is my favourite colour, yellow. Awesome. This one has leaves inside that I collected when I went on a walk. You can make lots of sensory bottles with everyday objects you find in your house. Have a go. Thank you for joining me in making sensory bottles. I've been Dayna and see you next time. Bye!